My name is Naomi and I'm 20 years old this year and I live in Singapore. My parents told me that I was born with profound hearing loss. I failed the hearing test.
When it was confirmed that Naomi has profound hearing impairment on both ears, it was really hard for us. So it meant that she may not be able to go to the mainstream school. It meant that she would have problems with communication with us. We had a hard time as parents because we just worry and keep worrying. It was difficult. It was only up till maybe she was like 10 months, then we actually put on hearing aids for her. After which, the hearing aids was not doing much good to her hearing. That's where I decided that Cochlear is what Naomi needs. Because she had the first cochlear implant at 22 months, that means that she's able to hear as soon as she can. The moment when Naomi's sound processor was switched on, because we saw how her eyes just sparkled, that particular scene was really vivid. It's really vivid till now.
The cochlear implant has helped me be able to socialize and communicate with people around me. It's also about being able to keep up with the world. I play 10-pin bowling and I love the sports because I love the environment that I'm in, because especially when you get a strike, it's really a very soothing sound for me to hear because it's like, you can tell it's a really nice shot. I participated at Deaflympics in 2017. It was my very first major international competition. I didn't expect that I was able to win a gold medal. Cochlear implant gives me the confidence to chase my dreams and giving me independence. I feel that me and my family are very close. It's a very good thing that you're in a home where you can feel just comfortable and safe.
I think early intervention is the way to go. It's been really good for Naomi and I'm confident her life would be normal.